live performances you'll never forget. Stay plugged in and play loud. Superstar collaboration, powerful performances, iconic covers, state-of-the-art virtual technology. While iHeartRadio listeners experienced it all live as it happened from the Capital One Fan Mall. See for yourself. Watch our 2020 iHeartRadio Music Festival this Sunday night and Monday night on the CW. And get all the action from backstage at iHeartRadio.com/festival.
Steve, Pennsylvania. Boy, do we need your state of Pennsylvania in 42 days. And Joe did say a number of times he done fracking in case people in Pennsylvania are listening. What's going on, Joe? Steve, what's going on? How are you?
Hey, Sean, I'll tell you, my wife's going to get ready to go to Pennsylvania right now, right outside of Pittsburgh. It's a pretty crazy scheme, but there's actually no license. So I wanted to give you an update because that's my own journey to southwestern Pennsylvania. The other thing, let's face it, we can't because we have to know, but I don't get anymore. County security on this house in the neighborhood of 50 times a day. That's fine. So a couple days later, Sean, my wife's light came on, it's gone. Said, hey, you guys put your truck right now. We said, no, it was just gone, Sean. Somebody stole it. So now I can report to you that my neighbors kind of like, I always had an update. We have 7 homes in our neighborhood now with a Trump sign or a flag. And 4 years ago, Sean, we were the only house that had a Trump sign in the last election. And I'm just telling you right now, southwestern Pennsylvania, there's silent majority. We're not that silent anymore, Sean. We want to peacefully and publicly support this president, and we love President Trump, but more importantly, Sean, we love America. So thank you for everything you're doing for this country. And I just wanted to let you know that it's making a difference.
We need Pennsylvania so bad. Your state could be make or break. And that's how important Pennsylvania is. It's a pleasure to hear that. Please, anything and everything anyone in Pennsylvania can do, Wisconsin can do, Ohio can do, North Carolina, Florida can do. We need you. Arizona. Thank you, my friend. All right, straight to the phones, final half hour. Say DVR, Hannity, 9 Eastern tonight, Fox News, best election coverage on your radio and television dial. It's the Sean Hannity Show.